Ahoy, mate! Now, we're in deep Petén in the jungle of Guatemala. I am in trace of one of the most beautiful words in the bird. It is the quetzal. The quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala. Now, I will try to find it. Look here, it is a trace. It's perfect. Perfect. Now, let's see. Oh, here is the food of the quetzal. You see? It's not very tasty. It's not very tasty. Well, let's go on. Now, it appears to be the shit of the quetzal. I will try it if it is. Yes, apparently it is, and it's very fresh. Sorry, I caught dengue. Oh, it is a quetzal! Look, it is a quetzal! A quetzal! A quetzal! I will poke its eye, just to see what it does. Please kill him, fella!